Welcome back to the Vispeahen Data Analytics and Visualization Platform.
Here we are with the second part of the How to Edit Data on a Graph video. In this video, we will learn about the column properties area and see what we can do in this area. Let's get started. Column properties. In the column mapping area that appears when we open the data window of a chart, each data column that has been added to that chart has a three-dot icon next to it. By clicking on these three dots, we can open the Column Properties pop-up window. In the pop-up window, there are operations that we can perform specifically for that column. We can change the column name to only affect its display on the chart. This can be useful in cases where the column name from the database does not look the way we want it to or is not descriptive enough. Data format. We can change the format of the data. There are text, number, time, and custom options as data format. When we select the number format from these options, there are whole number, decimal, and rounding options. In decimal number format, we can select the decimal places. In rounded number format, we can select the rounding number. Using the custom option, we can create the desired format for the data. The format of the data can be changed to make the data work correctly. If our data is inserted in text format where numeric data is expected, the chart will not give correct results. To manage such situations, a format change can be used. Or in the Filter plugin, we can make the data format time so that this plugin works with a pop-up calendar. Value Align. With Value Align, which only exists in the table graph, we can specify where to align the data in the column and use it to achieve a visual order. Padding. With the padding feature, we can add an extension to the data rows in the relevant data column. With this feature, we can add an initial text, a symbol for currency, etc. And we can specify whether this add-on should be positioned to the right or to the left of the data row. What if? Similarly, to learn more about the What If feature, which only is available in the table chart, you can watch our video, Exclusive Features What If video. Formula Editor. With the FX button on the top right corner of the Column Properties window, the Formula Editor window opens. We can make all advanced level edits and create formulas by writing SQL queries via the Formula Editor. In the upper left corner of the window, all tables and columns in the model we are using are listed. We can add columns from here with drag and drop when we want to add them to our formula. In the bottom left corner, we have our Save Session variables. You can watch our Manage the Data Part 2 video for using session variables. On the right side of the window, there are basic formulas that we can use in this area. These formulas are grouped according to their usage. When we open any group, the formulas are displayed here. We can add them to the formula field by drag and drop, or we can click on the formula to learn its meaning and usage. To manage data by editing it on a graph and more,
Vispeahen.